Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove apps from your Shopify store. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Shopify dashboard. In the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Then, from the left-hand menu, select Apps and Sales Channels. This page will display all the apps currently installed on your Shopify store. To uninstall an app, locate it on the list. On the right-hand side, click the three dots, then select Uninstall. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Check the confirmation box and click Uninstall again. Once completed, a message will appear confirming the app has been removed. Refresh the page, and you will see that the app no longer appears under Installed Apps. Instead, it will now be listed under the Uninstalled tab. If you ever want to reinstall the app, simply go to the Uninstalled list, click the three dots beside the app, and choose Install. This will quickly restore the app to your Shopify store with previous configurations saved, if supported. Removing unused apps can help speed up your store and reduce clutter in your dashboard. So, that's basically how you can remove apps from your Shopify store. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.